Weillen Technology. Expert of industrial connector. D sub-series. Circular connectors. Cable assemblies. 1. How we produce connectors. Automatic lathe cutting. Automatic pin grooving. Automatic internal tapping. Automatic stamping. Automatic installation. Automatic X-ray inspection. Automatic packaging. Weillen also supports OEM and ODM. 2. Our warehouse. 1,500 square meters. Three. Our major products. D sub-series. Pin header connectors. Circular connectors. 4. Partners and application. Partners. For communication. For power. For railway. 5. Our certificates. ISO 9001. Utility model patent. 6. Our branches. Shenzhen headquarter. Germany. Shenzhen Weillen Technology Company. Reliable connector, splendid performance.